guys, Big Mike, D717 Outlaw, back with here with another video. We are actually not at Beaver Springs this time around. We are at Dragway 42 in West Salem, Ohio, out here for the IHRA Team Bracket Finals. Anybody that didn't catch the last upload, me and Mick qualified for it. I snuck in just under the wire to qualify into coming out here for this. We're gonna see what the Busa can do. I haven't seen a whole lot of bikes here. We have about, I think, 8 to 10 bikes just from Beaver Springs that are here today, and I haven't really seen a whole lot, so we might see how the bracket turns out. But we have time shots here today. There is a gambler's race today. I brought money with me, but I don't think I'm going to do it. I think I'm just going to save the bike for the competition Friday into Saturday, or Saturday into Sunday might be how it goes. But we got some stuff to do this weekend, and yeah, we're out here. I'm gonna see if we can get it done. All right, guys, let's see if we can get a win for Team Beaver. Mickey went into the gambler's race. I decided to kind of back out of it. I ran up for first run of the day, did a 6.1 in the 8th, which isn't bad. I mean, I've run higher, or I mean, or faster, I guess, but didn't do too bad. I'm starting to notice a little bit of an issue with the clutch. It's not the clutch pack. I just put a brand new clutch pack in the bike. I'm starting to lean towards that it's either that it's the slave cylinder. I tried rebleeding it, trying to see if there's any air pockets, and it had a little bit of air in it, so we're just gonna wait. I'm not running anymore today because I'm not in the gambler's race. I'm trying to save the bike for the big event later in the weekend. I might try to sneak into the race tomorrow, but for the most part, I wanna just let the bike take a break while we're here. Kind of enjoying being here with everybody and helping with the other crews and stuff. I was helping Zippo here a little bit ago with him getting up to the line and everything like that with his bar bike. But Mickey's going up. He's going to buy back. Unfortunately, with his, he went up, didn't check his dial in. They actually dialed him at a 590 versus a 690. So unfortunately, Mickey got taken out. But he's going up for the buyback to hopefully get back into it and go into round 2. So, all right, guys, let's get back up here to the track and see what we can do. Day 2 pretty late. They ran the Race of Champions, which is basically the top guy from every track, every class, went against each other in their class to win. Unfortunately, Beaver Springs, I don't think, we didn't get bike class and we didn't get street. I think we might have gotten mod and top, but we're going up. Me and Mickey both decided to do the gambler's race today. Still have a little bit of time yet, but it's like 1 o'clock. The race this morning took most of the day. But we're gonna get after it and see. Bikes are doing good. Just gonna keep after it, guys. Get some more runs in here this weekend, and then we have the eliminations are tomorrow. And then if they push into it, they will have eliminations on Sunday. But tomorrow is pretty much the big day for us, so we're just gonna keep after it.
That was a good one for me. I didn't expect it to go under. I did terrible yesterday, so I didn't expect it to go what it did.
37 and 2 bows.
But good race.
Thanks. You too, man.
Thank you.
Well guys, we're on to the final day up here, well out here at Ohio, Dragway 42 for the main event. This is pretty much for bragging rights for the fastest of the tracks that come out. So they basically run a point series for each class, and whichever team accumulates the most points is the top dog. So we're gonna see what we can do here. Unfortunately, I am out in round one. I don't know if I really screwed myself, but I started doing a new thing before the start, leaning the bike over and kind of dry hopping the clutch, like just pulling it in and out, trying to get the clutch in some oil so that way it slips a little bit better. It slips a little too good, but I mean, I guess that's good because I'm not frying my plates. It's just the oil that's causing it to do that. But I went out, I tried running the guy down. He had me beat by 100th or something like that. My 60 foot's what killed it. I was 100th down from where I was used to, so, or I was actually a 10th down, which really killed me. But 60 foot's what did it. Mickey's still in. A little bit of confrontation on his win. He didn't realize it. He ended up double bulbing the guy. Mick pre-staged, thought he saw the light come on, so he pulled up to stage. The other guy hadn't even broke the beams at all yet. So Mickey's on to round two. We still have 7 out of 10 Beaver bikes going on, so stay tuned guys. We're gonna go up here and watch the rest of this racing. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching the video. I know everything's been a bit behind. I'm filming this outro weeks after we were in Ohio. But thank you guys for sticking around. Unfortunately, it didn't go as good for me and Mickey in the races out there, but we still had the opportunity to go out and be part of the team finals for 2022. It was our first season doing the point series, so it was awesome to be able to take part in that. But going for the whole weekend, Beaver Bikers, we ran the entire weekend. We swept the weekend pretty much. Beaver Bikes won every race that they were in. And Beaver Springs, out of the team finals, we finished, I believe, 3rd out of 9 teams. It was pretty much a dead heat for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd was really tight. And then anywhere below was a pretty big gap. I mean, we were way ahead of anybody that was in 4th and so on. So it was pretty much a battle for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. It was very tight competition. Like I said, the bikes, we won that class. The bikes did really good. We got a lot of points for Team Beaver. But Team Beaver, we still got top 3. We still got I guess we still got a podium for the racetrack as a whole. But the one thing that we were out there, and I found out, luckily, it could have been a catastrophic failure on my end because I almost didn't catch it, is we had a part almost fail on the Busa while we were out there. Let me just show you guys real quick the upgrade that I did so that way that wouldn't happen. But give me one second. Quick, as you can see, stay tuned. We got XDA coming. Like I said, this was filmed after. But the issue that I ran into is because I run heavy springs on the Busa for the clutch, is this slave cylinder was actually flexing because Suzuki mounts it to your front sprocket cover. You could hear the metal flexing and it was creaking and making a noise. I went ahead, this is an SAE Outlaw slave cylinder brace. So what it does is you take 2 bolt points for the sprocket cover and they just give you longer screws, and then this piece of billet aluminum goes over your sleeve, helps keep it from flexing out. And that was pretty much the quick fix. The R6 did good as always. Bike's been staying very, very, very consistent all season. Busa, like I said, still having a couple issues with the clutch, but we didn't do too bad in Ohio. I can't really complain. I was just very happy to take part. And the R6 doing what she always does. But like I said, stay tuned for the next upload and we'll be back with more. We went out to XDA and I don't know if you saw the front of the R6. There's some big news for XDA for our first time out. And we will definitely be running XDA more often. That was our first time out. But stay tuned, guys, for that. And as always, ride safe, ride smart, always wear a helmet. I'll see you on the next one, and drop a like, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, as well as hit that little bell for notifications, and I will see you guys in the next upload. All right, guys. See ya.